Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and hello if you're new. My name is Jess and I love talking about all things cruelty-free and beauty related. So today for you, I have an update on my project pan for 2022. I'm doing a 6-product project pan, a rolling project pan if you will. So make sure to check out the description box. I'll link down below my playlist with all of my other project pan updates. I think this is my 3rd update of the year so far. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to show you guys my progress, and I also will have photos as well. So let's get right into it. So far with my rolling project pan this year, I have finished 3 products up to this point. I do have a really cool update for you guys. So I have already finished an eyeliner. It's the bronzed out liner from Flower Beauty, and then I rolled in the Serpant liner. I finished the e.l.f. HD powder, under eye setting powder, and then I rolled in the AOA Studio translucent press powder. I finished the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss, and then I rolled in the e.l.f. and Jkissa liquid eyeshadow duo. I finished, and then, oh, I have an update. So my update is I finished my BH Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Earth. I love this. It's one of my favorites. So here's my little nub, and it's so hard. I can't even sharpen it. So this is what is left over. I definitely didn't have that much to use, but let me show you my little chart here where I've been keeping track. I had quite a bit of this pencil, and I feel like I did a pretty good job using it up very quickly. It's amazing how fast time goes by, especially when you're trying to use up products. So I finished that, and I'm actually going to roll in another BH lip liner. I don't know the whole thing with BH Cosmetics. They announced that they're actually launching new products, so I'm not sure what that means, but they did discontinue their lip liners, which were my favorite lip liners ever, long wearing, waterproof. So I do have 2 more. The other shade I have is very bright pink, which isn't my favorite, so I don't think I'm going to roll that into this project pan. This is in the shade Muse, and it's a really nice taupey color. I do have a lot of this left, so let me show you how much I have. So this is in the shade Muse. I'll do a quick swatch. It's a really nice taupey brown nude. It's a pretty dark lip liner for my skin tone, but I love it. I love it so much. I'm trying to find a dupe for this because I love this color in particular. And so we will see how my progress is. So that's where I'm starting out with. I'm sorry if it's not the best quality there. But yeah, I do have quite a bit left, if you can see that. So I'm definitely going to be working on that, but I'm so excited. Yay, I finished another product, so I'm super excited about that. Pretty proud of myself. I'm actually doing pretty good in this rolling project pan. So this is the product I'm going to roll in to replace the other one. My progress with the Serpant liner from Flower Beauty. This was sadly discontinued. I really loved these shades, but they do have the Forever Wear liners, which are pretty much exactly the same. They just don't have the glitter. So I have used up quite a bit. I have to be careful though, because when I twist these up all the way, they're very soft. They're very creamy. So I'm going to try to just show you without making this break in half. I'm really nervous. So if you can see here on my paper here where I started, and then right here the bottom one is May 23rd. I have used a little bit, not a lot, but I'm getting close to finishing this pencil. We're getting there. We're slowly but surely getting there. And I definitely think I can finish this up if I use it as a base like I did with the brown one. Alright, the next product, which is really difficult to take pictures of, but I have been doing actually a really good job on this, is the e.l.f. and Jkissa eyeshadow duo. This was limited edition. And we have the white side here, very sparkly, really pretty, and then the green side. And I don't know how well you can see, but you can start to see the edge. Like, you can really see through the product. And I've been really scraping the sides, and I think pretty soon I'm going to remove this stopper. But I have been using this a lot. What I like to do is add it to the inner corner, add a little extra shimmer on top of the lid. This is actually a really great product, and it's really pretty. I think I like this white side better than the green. Hopefully we can see a little bit better progress maybe next time. But this one is definitely hard because there's a lot of glitter in the green side. So not a huge update with this one. I think I'm definitely going to finish this side before I finish this side. Alright, the next product I have is the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. This is the translucent one. The top is completely broken off, so I'm really struggling to keep things together. I'm definitely making a little bit of progress with this one. It is taking me a little bit longer. I sometimes forget to use it, and I think I'm discovering that it's not my favorite setting powder. It is considered a finishing powder, but for me, I just prefer to use my Pretty Fresh setting powder from ColourPop, or my CoverGirl pressed powder, or my Flower Beauty. I really like those a lot better. I think this is going to be really challenging to use up. And if I end up just really hating it, I'll just end up probably tossing this and maybe rolling in something else. I'm hoping maybe I'll start loving it again. I don't know. It's not a bad powder, okay? But my under eye area is so iffy. Yeah, I'm finding out that I'm not in love with it as much as like I like the porcelain version of this powder a lot better, actually. But yeah, that's just my quick little update. Not a huge, yeah, there's still quite a bit of pan here. There's a lot of product left. So next up I have a cream blush. This is the Lauren Conrad Lip and Cheek Tint in Peony. You can no longer get this makeup line, which is so bizarre. They just kind of like disappeared, and now her brand is like perfume. So no more makeup. She's selling perfume now, which, I mean, hey, whatever floats your boat. But yeah, I'm just really disappointed that they didn't really give anyone a heads up. Anyways, this is in the shade Peony, and I really do love this product, so I'm going to be really sad once it's gone. But here's my progress. Not a huge progress, I'm going to be honest with you. I haven't been reaching for this, not as much, and I know I've been kind of neglecting it. I need to jump back on the bandwagon. And I was using it every day as like a lip balm, because you can use it on your lips and your cheeks for like a blush, and it's so pretty. It really, really is. Very moisturizing. So I'm definitely going to really focus this next month. I know I've been slacking a little bit, you guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm apologizing, but I want to jump back into it. I haven't been in the mood to wear a lot of makeup every single day. Just been kind of like letting my skin breathe. All right, and last but not least, my final project and my project pan is the Mary-Lou-Manizer. The issue I have with this is that it's just so pigmented and intense. So a little bit goes a really long way. I've been using it as an eyeshadow. I've been using it just all over as a highlight. And it just takes time, you know? Slowly but surely, I think I will get through this. And you can see along the edges, it's getting a little bit rough there, just because I've been taking my eyeshadow brush and kind of going along the edge just to really see that pan more. But I am getting excited about this one because I'm sure you all can relate. It's hard to like use up an entire highlighter. It's not easy. So that is it, you guys. That is my progress with my rolling project pan for this year. I think I'm doing okay. Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know how you guys are doing with your project pan. I love talking to you guys, so let's chat down below. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe, comment, share, like, all that good stuff. I really, really appreciate your support. It means so, so much. And if you missed my other videos and update on my project pan for this year, check out the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.